this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share screen on Discord. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Whether you want to show your gaming skills to your friends or you'd like them to see your app windows, it's easy to share a screen over Discord. You can share a screen in a server or DM on your Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iPhone, and iPod devices. In this video, I will show you how to share your screen on Discord using laptop or PC from Windows. It's very simple. So first of all, we have to open our Discord, and here I am using Discord web. You can open your Discord, log into your Discord account. Now in here, for example, I will share screen with my friends on Discord. In here, I will try to share screen on server, I think. Wait, I will invite this account to the server. Okay, now I'll invite my friends. Okay, let's join voice. Now I'm on the server. If you want to share screen, you can just see in here there is like option to share your screen. You can just click on that, and here you can choose what to share with your Discord. The Chrome tab, Windows, you can choose the Windows that you want to share, or you want to share your entire screen with your friends on Discord. For example, I will just choose the entire screen. You can choose the entire screen. Don't forget, if you want to share your system audio, you can enable this toggle. Tap on the toggle in here. Now you can start share. So your stream is still running. It means your screen is start sharing with your friends on Discord. I will show you from my phone. So here's like this. I will watch the stream from this phone. Okay, here's the result. You can see what I share. Okay, so cool, right? When I open Google, you can see when I open YouTube, you can see from this phone, right? Okay, and if you want to stop the share screen, you can open your screen. There is an option stop sharing in here, or this one. You can just choose on stop sharing. It's very simple, right? So that is how to share screen on your Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!